Lazarus begs Zweleka not to take Bavumile away from him. He says that he does not want to lose Bavumile to Hlati, but somehow Zweleka drags him to Cosmo to tell Hlati that Bavumile is his baby. Sydney had police raid his house after Lwandle snitched on him. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Zweleka is unsettled because Bavumile is not getting better. So Zweleka is panicking, saying that maybe they just need to tell the truth because they're the ones causing Bavumile to be sick. They just need to tell the truth. Doesn't matter the consequences as long as Mtana are right. But Lazarus is concerned, saying that I don't want to lose Bavumile. I don't want to lose Bavumile to Hlati. I don't want to lose him to death either. Let's try all our options. I'm sure the specialists are going to find what's wrong with him. As Zweleka, you know very well that they're not going to find anything. We did this, we're the cause of this, we need to just tell the truth. I won't lose my child over this. My heart sank when she said that. My heart broke for Lazarus when she said this because you could just see the pain in his eyes. He said, Mtanakho, your child. I knew all along that this day will come when I'm reminded that Bavumile is not biologically mine. No matter how much I love him, no matter how much I want to be his father, but at the end of the day, blood always matters. Zweleka felt bad and apologized and said that she didn't mean it that way. Lazarus is his dad and he does all the nappy changes, all the feedings at night. So Tatak and he loves him. But still she doesn't stop pestering him. Lazarus decides, I've done my research, you can get him a specialist and fly him to Cuba. They can help him. Zweleka is like, exactly that's not what he needs. We need to set him free. We need to talk the truth so he can set him free. But Lazarus is like, please don't do this to me. Don't take Bavumile away from me. Now that Zweleka is confused also because if Angavuma Lazarus, what are they going to do? She needs to tell Hlati the truth. And then Lazarus goes to see the baby in hospital. And then all Zweleka's words come to as a reflection going on about we need to tell the truth. We're the ones making the baby sick. While he's just watching Bavumile fight for his life, I think he finally had a change of heart and decided maybe they must just go and tell the truth. And then they're all happy. Hlati got shortlisted for a tender. Utumeka is very excited, even suggesting agreeing to having a baby with Hlati, saying that spending time with Bavumile has made her broody. Now she thinks maybe they'll be lonely after Uyanga leaves for university. So maybe they can have another baby. So as they're sitting, having fun, Tulani no Tanya, they're also there. Lazarus and Zweleka show up at their doorstep. They're surprised with how Tumeka was like, how Zweleka, Spali, what's going on? What's the matter? Atu Zweleka, please sit down so we can talk. There's something important that I want to talk to you about. Now they're shocked. So what's happening? What's the matter? Atu Tumeka, what's wrong? As no, it's just something important that we need to discuss. Can we all sit down? So Zweleka dragged Lazarus to Cosmo to say this news to Hlati, while Lazarus is also there. Oh, poor Laz, my daughter. And then Ulwandle, on the other hand, after he saw all that setup, Babake doing the bridge, Babake tried to brush it off, saying that he's mentoring Utsaki, but Ulwandle didn't buy it. Goes to tell Mawethu about it. Mawethu was like, you know what? We need to tell Zweleka and Lazarus about this, but you must know that Uteta will go to prison because he's going to jail because this is huge. And then they decide they ended up telling them again. And then now Lazarus is Sydney is panicking, tries calling Dice. Dice is not picking up, saying, hey, when it does that, left a voice message, it does that. I'm not getting involved with you. If you try to blackmail me, I've also got some debt on you. I'm done with you. Tsaki shows up. When Tsaki shows up, immediately Nafika, there's a knock on the door. It's police and Onga, my detective and Onga, the new CIO. I'm Onga, I'm Hlongo from Ikusela. And we're here to search your place. They've got a warrant. Then they go and search garage he is sweating. He is sweating so much. They go and search Ilanayake. They take everything. Kanti, while they're doing this, Utsaki was busy on her phone while hiding in the bathroom. And then they addressed the staff, Kusela, Ongano, Lazarus, saying that we think we suspect who's behind the breach, uSidney Zondo, the former CIO, and he thanks Umawethu and Lwandle for the tip off and say that their effort will not go unnoticed. And then uSidney is like, it's over. What are you still doing here? When it's like a hamba, it is not over, Mr. Zondo. You don't know what I did. I booted everything, so they just took this equipment. They're not going to find anything. So Kahle should set up the whole thing so that in case we get caught, we wipe the whole thing and they won't find anything. Manje uZondo so jabulile futhi ukuthi ngaphunyuka futhi. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.